I like Faces of Dave.
Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Faces of Dave family, barefoot running people. It is David Scoggins out here again in another location. Where are we at today? This location is called Two Trees Trail. Probably because it looks like there's not a lot of trees out here. Doesn't look like there's a lot of people. Looks like I'll be out here by myself. So it looks like there's two paths, either it's that way or that way. But I think we will be going in this direction right here. So let's see what we're gonna find. It looks a little high and treacherous up there, but we are gonna do the challenge together. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, we are starting off on this little side trail here. It's a new area for me. Looks a little bit isolated and desolated. And a lot of flies out here. Oh boy, should we go up or down? Looks like you can go down or up. Which way should we go? Now I'm confused. Let's go down. Changed my mind. Think I'm going to go up first here. My confused self, because I want to get to that shade last. As I said, I'm new here. I don't know which way I'm going. I don't know what's going on. A lot of rocks down here. Ooh, my goodness. It's got multiple ways to go. I don't know which way to go. So we could go down, up to the left, up to the right. We're gonna go up to the left. Hopefully there's no rattlesnakes out here. Yeah. So it looked like that one path came to an end. As I was saying, I'm just exploring and seeing what's out here. I'm going back the way I came from and seeing what's on one of those other trails. Oh man, there's a lot of out here from these horses. Anymore, I think I'm just walking randomly. Yes, I have on glasses. Check my eye from the sun. I don't even think this is a trail anymore. I guess it is. As I was saying, I'm just exploring. Nobody out here. It's just a deserted area. You gotta be careful of rattlesnakes. Ugh. There's big old bugs out here. Look at this thing. Big old orange and black looking hornet looking thing. Okay, now we are going back down that trail that we were going to go down in the first place. We have went up and through every trail. And I hear people out there. Feels nice and cool in here, I know that much.
1 mile, 27 minutes, 27 minutes, 24 seconds per mile.
Climbing. We went through all those trails. Oh. Oh God, still going up the hill. Why am I complaining? I'm always going up a hill, right? Shut your mouth, David. Just get going. Good morning to you.
I tell you, the escalator's just ahead, but it's really not.
The escalator's just ahead. You too. Good morning. How are you? Good. Hi. It is hot, isn't it? We can do it. Yes. Oh my God. Oh God. Look at that.
Seconds per mile.
Horse drop. Man, you're Oh. This is sure rough. Rocks in the heels. Man, it's getting hot. Good morning, young lady. How are you doing?
Barefoot, huh?
Yeah.
Great man.
Yeah, I noticed. Yeah, set a few snakes out today. But we're gonna up really high now. Big step up for mankind. Yay.
0.8 miles. 27 minutes, 24 seconds.
All right, gotta go top of this hill, then we'll turn around and go back. I already did more than 2 miles. Yeah, there's nothing but a house up there. Okay. What a climb. What a climb. Look at this scary downhill corner by this cliff. And look, I even got my toe.
Ow! Why would you do that?
Stubbed it coming up. But no pain, no gain. Barefoot running, people.
You want to barefooted? You're crazy.
What do you mean I'm the one that's barefooted?
Yeah, because I know you're the one with the barefooted. I know.
He was like, somebody's walking up here barefooted. And he found you.
I found you.
All right. We made it. That was not too bad.
Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry about that. The volume went down, but I'm basically just giving this run a score on this area. Gave the score a 7, high 7 or an 8. So yeah. But anyway, there's the volume.
Everything like that, but it just kind of lacked something. But it was okay. So anyhow, Faces of Day family, have a great weekend. Thanks for coming along with me. We'll be seeing you again next weekend when we find another trail and not doing anything. Get up, get out and do it. Faces of Day family, David Scoggins is out of here.